In this video, you're going to learn how to upload a share code with content from the new editor and how to edit that content. So the first thing I want to do is show you where to find a share code that you can use. Now I'm going to put the same share code down below this video so you don't have to go find it, but here's where I got it from. Hover over Training, click on Power VIP. Once you're logged in, hover over PLS, hover over Share Codes, and click on New Editor Share Codes. Now this particular video shows you how to upload the share code, but it does not show you how to edit it. So here's the share code right here, and again I'm going to put this share code below the video you're watching right now so you don't have to come track this down. Once you have the share code copied, you're going to hover over websites and click on My Sharing Codes, and you're going to add that content right here. And you'll notice it says code added. So this particular share code, you could actually leave it as is and connect it to one of your domains or subdomains right now and actually use that sales page. But we're not going to do that. We're going to copy that page. So the very next step is you're going to hover over websites and click on Copy Web Pages, because we want to find and copy that page that we just uploaded into our system. And it's going to be in a section right on top called Shared Choices. And there it is right here. It's called Drag and Drop Sales Page 2020. So I'm going to select there that I want to copy it. Scroll all the way down, click Make Me a Copy. And now it's just going to walk you through step by step exactly what to do. The first step is you're going to name this page something where you'll recognize it, where you can find it later. Whatever you type in here is going to go inside the title tag at the top of the website. And I'm going to click on Save Changes. Now I'm going to choose what domain or subdomain that I want to attach it to. Now this next section has to do with the contact form at the bottom. If someone fills out the contact form at the bottom of that website, and I'll show it to you right now, and they submit it, you need to decide if, number one, they get an autoresponder campaign. Perhaps you want to create a one message campaign that says, thank you for contacting me, I'll be back with you shortly. And you're also going to choose what they land on after they submit their message to you. So again, this section right here is you're deciding what page do I want my prospects to land on, assuming that they send me a message. And I'm going to have my prospects land on this one right here, the Power Lead System Interview Series. And I'm not going to attach an autoresponder campaign. So if they fill out that form and they send me a message, I am not going to send them a message. So I'll just leave that unchecked. Now that's it. This page is all set up and ready to go. All these links link to me. And if my prospect fills out this form, they're going to land on the interview page and they're not going to receive an email. So now that we've copied the page, we've labeled it, we've set everything up, now it's time to copy it. So this page is going to be found in your My Web Pages section. Every time you ever create a page, it's always going to end up in the My Web Pages section. Hover over websites, click on My Web Pages, and there it is right here. My version of the drag and drop sales page. I'm going to click on Edit, and right here, Jump to Editor. So if I want to change the headline, just hover over this, click the T, and I'm able to change the headline. If I want to change the color of the text, I can do that. And if I want to change the background pic, I can scroll up here, click on the upper left. I selected this one here, and then I'm going to click right here. And you always want to click Apply Changes for every change that you make. Okay, if I wanted to swap that video and put my own video in there, just click here and then swap that 11-character code. Every YouTube video has an 11-character code inside the address bar. If I wanted to drag in another block, I can easily do that. Let's grab one here. Okay, let's edit a button real quick. And just click the little icon there. And if I wanted to change the button color, I can do that here. And don't forget to click Apply Changes. And now I'm going to decide where that button's going to link to. So I'm going to click Link. And here's where I can change the text on the button. And here's where I'm going to type in where the button is going to link to. I'm just going to type in any random website. And whatever website that you put in, you always want to select whether you're going to be adding an HTTP or an HTTPS. Now this right here, if you click it, what that means is if it's clicked, when a prospect clicks on your button, they're going to jump to the next page. And if it's unclicked, it's just going to transition to the next page. So I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to go ahead and click that button. I'm going to click Apply Changes, and that's it. You'll notice the button is now red, just like I told it, and it's going to jump to the website that I gave it. If I want to change a pic, again, upper left-hand corner, click on Design, Background Image, and just select the pic you want, and then don't forget to click Apply Changes. All right, so I've shown you how you can drag in new blocks, how to edit a button. If you want to delete a block that you don't like, just click this little gear icon and just get rid of it like that. Suppose I wanted to change one of these little icons. Just click on icons here, and you've got a whole section to choose from. Once you've selected it, click Apply Changes, and you'll see that that has been changed. And if I wanted to change the color of that particular icon, I can do that right here. And I'm going to click Apply Changes, and there you go. So now that I've made all the edits that I want to make, I'm going to click Save Now. And the final and important step, you do need to click Exit Editor. And that's it. Your page is live. It's done. I've already assigned it to a domain earlier, as you remember. So I'm just going to click View. And all the changes that I've made are now applicable. So let's click on our link down here that we created earlier. Remember this? All right. It works perfectly. And as you can see, it jumped to a new page. It did not transition. All right, that's it. Well, have fun making your edits and all the changes and additions that you want to make. Good luck.